Hi, a great day to you, and welcome to our video using our professional kit for sinasabi natin public service applications. No? So I'm Al Bangilan, the President and CEO of Media Convergence, and we've created this one for public servants so that you know how to use and what's the output that you can expect from a professional kit with a price starting at 109,995. It's like creating your own TV channel, no, for your audience, no. So yan ang kayang i-deliver ng professional kit natin, no. And this, as you can see here, no, I'm simply using a green screen here at I can display my background, no, ang Manila City Hall as my professional background. And one of the interesting things that we are able to deliver here is meron tayong sinasabing branding, no? So yung branding natin, like here yung logo natin, no? And then my name here, me portraying as the assistant to the mayor. And later on, makikita natin mamaya si live from Manila City Hall. Mamaya makikita natin si mayor na live in the Malate Creek. No? So these are the things that we can deliver. And using this powerful switcher, so Melody, no? So na nakikita natin dito, no, we can input here different backgrounds. Thank you, Melody. No? So we can input different backgrounds. So pwedeng still, pwedeng video, it's a remote stream, or a website, or anything that we needed, or a PowerPoint presentation, kung anong kailangan ninyo to be able to effectively communicate to your constituents. No? So one of the interesting things we can deliver for public servants is to do remote streaming. No, at sige JC, so meron tayo si Ryan ngayon who's outside, no. So streaming, doing a remote streaming, at makikita natin na magbabalita siya, no. So ano yung mga nakikita natin na nangyayari doon, no? So if we can have him come in, so sandali lang. So Ryan, pasok tayo. Kamusta tayo dyan sa ating side ng area na yan? If you can make some...
So far, dito naman ako sa kahabaan ng Kalye ng Tondo at nagki-clearing operation ng mga MPTV. So far, kakaunti naman nakaharang ng sasakyan at kaya tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman yung paglilinis nila at nakikita natin sumusunod naman na yung mga tao. Balik sa iyo, Boss Al.
Thank you very much for that report, Ryan, no? So ingat kayo dyan at balik ka na sa base, no? Maya-maya, no? So how is this possible, no? So we are able to do this with a what we call a live view solo. Ito yung remote streaming equipment namin that can really provide you, deliver that clear video and audio from remote sites, whether it's 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, as long as there's good cellular signal there, we can have your videos transferred back to, like for example, sa Manila City Hall, conveniently, no, at less expense, no. Hindi natin na kailangan ng mga pang-broadcast. Ito na lang kailangan ninyo to do remote streaming together with like a professional camera and microphone na nakalagay kay reporter natin doon, no. So if you feel as public servants you need to be able to do a remote streaming on what we are doing as a service, no, kunyari meron tayong clearing operations, may pabakuna tayo, we want to announce those things, you just need this live view solo. Please contact us. It's a separate option from our professional package that you can include to make that live remote coverage that you can display here, no, with our professional kit. So yan yung ano natin. So back to our background natin, no. So thank you, Ryan. At so we're back in our background, and we can input, dahil meron tayong ATEM switcher here that can input multiple things. We can have another remote video coming in, like for example, sabihin natin, no. So tingnan natin si Mayor kung ready na ba siya, no. So we can switch different videos, at ayan na po si Mayor. Ngayon nakikita ninyo na he's having that with General Simato, no, tungkol sa Malate Creek, no. So we can have that one. So please insert me again. Yan, no. So pwede rin na tayong ganyan na live tayo. And let's go back to, so these are some of the things that you can do. And if you can go back to the Manila City Hall already, these are the things that we are able to do with the professional kit. We can create your own TV channel to which you can do your live coverage as well as your presentations. Uh, you can have that effective communications with your constituents using our professional kit. If you feel that this professional kit is something that you can use to have that impactful video that you need to deliver, to your constituents, please avail it to Media Convergence as soon as you can. Thank you and have a great day.